Here with your Tuesday Tidbit. And yes, it's April 1st. I'm sorry, I don't have any pranks to show you today, but what I did want to talk about is that our newsletter that went out this month talked about recycling and decluttering. So April 1st, the weather is warmer, it's wonderful out there. It's a wonderful time to go through your closets, go through your kitchen, go through your whole house, and maybe think about paring down. 8 years ago, I thought I was going to move. I did a tag sale, got rid of like 50% of my things, and then decided not to move. And I realized 6 months later, I didn't even know what I had sold. So we all have more than we actually need. Everything I've read, a pared down house and a decluttered house opens up our spirit. It's springtime, so get to work. And please, some things need to be thrown out, but if you can recycle and reuse, do it. So enjoy the warm weather, and we'll see you here next week.